Hey everyone. When we use LinkedIn for networking, business, or personal branding, we know how much time it can take to post regularly. Posting often is important for staying visible and connecting with our audience, but it's not always easy to remember to do it every time. Today, we'll show you how to auto-post on LinkedIn so we can keep up with our schedule or take calls without having to do everything by hand. The purpose of auto-posting on LinkedIn is to save time, stay consistent, and keep a strong professional presence. Posting regularly helps us reach more people and build trust in our field. By using auto-post tools or scheduling features, we can plan our content ahead, keep updates coming, and make sure our posts stay active even when we're busy. This is very helpful for entrepreneurs, marketers, and professionals who want to get the most out of LinkedIn without spending hours online every day. Now let's see how to auto-post on LinkedIn together. First, open your browser. Go to www.linkedin.com and log in to your account. Once we're in our account, the first thing is to know how to post on LinkedIn. To post, we can update our page. We can start a post, add a picture, or create an event. We can celebrate an occasion, share that we're hiring, create a poll, add a document, or find an expert. We can also add emojis here. We can select an account, a plan, partnership, or a page we want to use. Here, we can choose an article or a video. To auto-post on LinkedIn, we need a third-party application. For this, we recommend using Make. Let's open another tab. Visit make.com or make.at. This app helps us auto-post on LinkedIn and other platforms. We can also set the time for our posts. We can pick the date and time for each post. We just need a premium subscription. There's a free version, but it doesn't have all the features. That's how we auto-post on LinkedIn, by scheduling our posts ahead of time. We can stay consistent, grow our network, and focus on other important work without worrying about missing updates. Let's remember to keep our content relevant, interesting, and professional to get the best results.